Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today we will unboxing the latest gaming model from Blackshark. Now we have three models from Blackshark: Blackshark 5, Blackshark 5 RS, and Blackshark 5Pro. And today we will unbox it and we will have a very brief introduction of this gaming model, and we will introduce the basic specification of this smartphone. So this is the main video we will talk about. The main things we will talk about in the video. And first, check the box. The design is very simple. You can see the Blackshark logo in the middle of the box, and the Blackshark name, the English name, and the model name 5 Pro. But this time, in the front and other side of this box, you can see a lot of lines and a lot of special icons. I think they will use this element in the smartphone design. So also here we can see the high RS audio icon. So this model will pass the audio, get the audio high RS. And today this is the white edition, and it's a 8GB RAM plus 256 ROM. So this is the high specification one. And next, let's check what's inside the box. And okay, let's do it. First, let's open it. Okay. Whoa. Here we open the box. We can see another package. Because of gaming, we are not strange anymore. Because of loving, we fight together. We don't fear about anything. Let's challenge together. Let's fight together. Creation, no limit on gaming, no stop on gaming. Some slogans for Blackshark. And this is package. I think they will include the case and other stuff in this package. Okay, so here yes, we have the case, the black gaming phone case, black case, no plastic. Okay, it's soft, not so hard. And next is about the quick start instructions. Warranty card. Okay, warranty card also provide the shining. I think this is the stickers. Yes, stickers. Stickers. You can put them on your phone or on your MacBook or on your notebook. So this is about the small package. Okay, I put it aside and checked other stuff. Here is the smartphone. Okay, let's put it aside. Then under smartphone, we see the Blackshark charger. Okay, it's 120 watts fast charger, big charger. Okay, so here is the USB Type-C cable. Yes, USB Type-C cable. Okay, so this is all the stuff in the box. Okay, let's put them aside and check the smartphone itself. Okay, so finally we have the smartphone. Okay, let's peel this off. Okay, you can see the smartphone right now. Okay, so yes, this is the appearance of the smartphone. As I guessed before, you can see, yes, the element, the lines, the element that he used in the box is also used on the smartphone back cover. So here you can see icon, name, lines, element, also using the smartphone. Yes, so this is the appearance of our smartphone. I think compared to the last generation, they have a special design for the camera parts, and also they have this one. This time is a new color, I think. Yes, let's take the release RS 5RS as example, because the Blackshark 5RS is a similar design to the last generation Blackshark 4. So here is the 5RS. You can see the camera parts is totally different, and here the element design also different. The size of the logo, Blackshark place, position, the logo also different. Also here some difference here. So this is the difference also compared to the last generation. Another small changes in the appearance here. It's a volume button. Put last generation is here, but this time it's here, and the SIM card slot last time is here and this time is here. So this is difference. And okay, this is about appearance. And next we will talk about the specifications about this smartphone, from size, weight, screen, processor, camera, and battery. Okay, so first is about size. This one have the same size as last generation, but this time they just change it a bit on the here. Looks more, this one looks more slim, just 0.1 mm, but of course we cannot see the detail, see the difference is from the official website. Only the very small difference. And about the weight, this one is 218 grams, and this one 220, 2 grams difference. So also very small change. Also, so next about the screen, both they use the AMOLED. This is about the, let's talk about the screen size. Both of these models they have same screen size, 6.6 inch, and both of them is AMOLED screen, and all of them support 144 Hz refresh rate. You can see also they use the same punch front camera. So if you don't check the details of the specification or other aspect of the smartphone, you will in front of if these two smartphones in front of you, you cannot notice any difference. It's same size, same screen, same design. So this is about the screen, and also next about the processor. This one is the Pro one. It have the latest generation SD generation 8 processor, and this one have two kinds of processor for you to choose. The lower specification is SD 888, and the higher specification is provide SD 888 plus. So this is about the processor. Also this one I think can get higher and score. I'll show it later. And this is about processor. Another thing is that both of them support USB 3.1 and LPDDR5. So about the RAM and ROM, this one you can choose 8, 12 or 16 RAM, and this one you can choose 8, 12 RAM, ROM 256, 5512, and this one you can choose 256. Only one choice. So this one, if you got the highest, it can get better performance on gaming. So this is about the processor one. And next is about the camera. So let's check first. Let's see talk about the front camera. Both have a punch hole camera, and this one, they have different front cameras. This one is Pro, support 16 megapixel front camera, and this one, the RS, have the 20 megapixel front camera. So this one got bad performance on the front camera. Okay, next about the rear camera, and this is the main difference. This time you can see this one have a bigger sensor and big design, different design camera zone, and here they have to provide 108 megapixel main camera and 30 megapixel wide lens and 5 megapixel macro lens, and this is more, and the main camera is smaller. So this is only have 64 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide lens and 5 megapixel macro lens. So this is about the camera. This, of course, this one have much better performance or real triple camera and the shooting experience provide. So, but next is about the battery. So this time, this one have the 4650 capacity big battery, and this one only 4500 battery, but also of them support 120 watts fast charging. So this takes less time, very less time to charging fully from 0 to 100%. So this is about the battery and charging. So today we just talked about the appearance, the specification, and the main difference, and the main things on these two models. I will say this time. This one is the best choice for the gaming lovers, but this one is the color is special. You can see they have a unique yellow and purple color. If you love the last generation design, you can choose this one. If you are very care about the gaming performance and you love new designs, you can choose this one. This one actually get high specification and much better performance. Next, I think I will show you the Antutu score on these two models. Here onto the bench, I installed Antutu before. So next, I can show you the Antutu score on these two models. So here you can see the scores on these two models. This one, the left one is Pro. It have 103,602,72, and this one is the RS. It have the 876,316. So this one much better. Okay, I think I can also show you the performance of the normal one, the Blackshark 5. Yes, this is the 5. I can also show you the Antutu score here, and this one is the less score, much less, 372,333. So here highest in the middle, champion third place. So this is about the Antutu score, and you can choose the one that fits you best, and you can check the Antutu score and other specification, other scores if you purchase it. So this is for today's main content, and it's a very quick and very simple unboxing video. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned for more videos from here, and bye bye.